Hi. You're about to discover the one thing that turned my friend Kevin's trading career around. The one thing that took him from desperate loser to stress-free success. But first, let me tell you a little more about Kevin and the dire straits that he was in just a few months ago. Actually, let me go back a little further than that and tell you how I met Kevin. Kevin was a fellow Forex trader I first met on a message board. Turned out we lived in the same town. We ended up getting together and becoming friends. Now, when I didn't hear from Kevin for over a week, I got concerned. Went over to his house. When he didn't answer his door, I got really concerned. I tried the knob and the door opened. I stuck my head in and yelled Kevin's name. I heard a yeah come from the bedroom, walked back, and there he was lying in bed. There were 2 whiskey bottles on the nightstand, one empty and the other only half full, and Kevin looked terrible. He explained that he had lost all of his money trading Forex and didn't know what to do next. He felt like a total failure and was afraid to even show himself to his young daughter. He was embarrassed and beaten. I felt awful for him. So, how did Kevin go from being in such a bad spot to where he is today, confident, carefree, with tons of money in the bank? Here's the answer. Welcome to the FX Pips Predator Conference today. My name is Robbie Anton. I'm excited that you're here with me. Today we're going to discuss the FX Pips Predator. Now, this is the creation that we are most proud of. It is the system that we've been using to produce massive Forex profits for over 5 years now. And it's the system that literally saved my friend Kevin's life. In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal the complete system to you and show you verifiable proof that it works. I'm also going to give you the opportunity to ask questions and learn even more about this groundbreaking system. But first, let me start out now by telling you how the system came into being. It started 12 years after I graduated college with a degree in computer programming. At this point, after working in several other jobs, I was hired by a successful Forex trader to create a proprietary software system that accurately predicted the Forex market. Actually, I was hired to manage a team of 3 programmers, counting myself. On our first day, the Forex trader met us at a small apartment in New York City and explained exactly what he was looking for. Basically, he wanted software that accurately predicted the financial market, which was only something that had never been done before. Well, to get us started, he handed me a list of 23 trading strategies that he said he used manually to produce Forex profits. He wanted me to take these strategies and encode them into the software. In other words, he wanted software that would automatically trade like he did. Before giving me the strategies, he made me promise not to reveal them to anyone else, not even the other programmers. Then he told us that we could stay in the apartment and he would pay for all the utilities and groceries, whatever. He ended by saying that he'd be back in 3 months and he expected to see functioning software at that time. Well, my team and I got to work immediately, but the programming was slow going, and when the trader returned in 3 months, we were really only halfway done. I showed him what we had. Luckily, he was impressed enough to give us 2 more months. Luckily, during the last 2 months, progress came in big waves, and we actually had functioning software before the end of the 2-month period. Oh, the trader seemed genuinely happy when I called him with the news. He flew in that weekend to see what we had. What we had was this: an unbeatable trading system that used cutting-edge artificial intelligence to accurately predict future market movement. Basically, what we did was create a foundation of chart patterns within the system. The system then constantly searches for any currency pairs whose movement fits one of its numerous charts. When the system finds such a pair, it locks onto it and is able to predict with 89% accuracy what will happen in the future. Now, let me stop here for a moment to say that there are basically 2 ways to make money trading Forex. You can sit back and play for the home run, which means in Forex terms you're constantly looking for that one big play that will produce massive profits for you. Or you can play more fundamentally, go base to base, so to speak, scratch out runs and win that way. Well, our system fits into this latter style of play. The system identifies trades that win 9 out of 10 times. However, the trades themselves are more modest, generally producing 20% to 30% gains. You may make 20 pips in one trade and 30 pips in another. To stick with the baseball analogy, our system hits for average a lot of singles and doubles instead of constantly swinging for the fences and striking out. So in other words, if you are a home run hitter if you like to play for the long ball, well, this system is not for you. On the other hand, if you have the patience to scratch out small gain after small gain and the wisdom to understand that these type of gains can add up over time, then this is definitely the system for you. This system identifies very safe trades and can really provide a steady way to build your income over time. There are no big risks, no lose all your gains on one play type action here. Instead, each day the system searches for currency pairs that have formed price patterns that match one of the extensive chart patterns in its database. It quickly identifies these profitable trades and lets you pocket a quick 20 to 30 to 40 pip gain on average. Do this over and over, and I think you can start to understand how your account balance can grow and grow and grow. Now, couple this system's powerful ability to identify profitable trades with our Forex traders' proven, effective money siphoning strategies, and you have a system, I gotta say, unlike anything that has ever hit the market before. A system capable of allowing you to make $500, $1,000, even $5,000 a day trading Forex. And to make that money, you won't have to spend hours at your computer or analyze a bunch of complicated charts. This software does everything for you, allowing you to make maximum profits in minimum time. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. You see, this software doesn't just trade like our expert Forex trader. It's also capable of taking new price patterns and adding them to the charts that form its foundation. That's right. In other words, this software actually learns as it goes. It's getting stronger and more accurate and more expansive with each day, meaning each day that you have this software, your chances of making profits increase. Our Forex trader boss was ecstatic with our creation and promptly fired the other two programmers on the spot. Well, I was shocked, but he thanked the two programmers for a job well done and even gave them each a $5,000 bonus. He explained that since the software was finished, he just didn't need their services anymore. He then turned to me, and I expected the worst, but he only said that he wanted to meet with me the next day. The next day, the trader outlined his plan to me. He wanted to start testing the software, and he wanted me to help him do it. Since I didn't know anything about trading Forex, he thought I would be a good tester for the new system. He gave me $1,000 and said once I paid him back his initial stake, I could keep all the profits I made. Well, that sounded like a good deal to me. So with no trading knowledge whatsoever, I took that $1,000 and started trading. Within 5 days, I turned that initial investment into $8,000. I then paid the trader back his $1,000, took the remaining $7,000, and turned it into $31,000 in just 1 month's time. Both the trader and I couldn't believe the results we were getting with the system. It was consistently profiting by 30 to 50 pips each day. Our trading accounts grew steadily each and every day without fail. I went from not knowing anything about trading Forex to making thousands of dollars in the morning before most people even got to work. And on those days when I slept in, I made that money before most workers ate lunch. The trader was making even greater profits than I was. We knew that we really had something here, and because we had encrypted that foundation and the strategies with SHA-3 encryption, we weren't concerned about making this available to the public and having our concepts ripped off. Which brings me to the seminar today, where I am going to make the software available, but just to a select group of traders. Right now, only 5 people, myself, the trader, and 3 of his friends, who also experienced tremendous trading success, are using the software. But we've decided to take it to the next level and allow a group of everyday people to try it out. Now, let me quickly clarify exactly what type of opportunity you're being presented with here. If you had this software last year and you started with a $1,000 investment, you could have made $100,000. Or if you had started with an account of $10,000, you could have made over $1.2 million. With this system, you only have to work, if you call it work, an hour or 2 a day, and most of that time is you logging into your broker account to see how much money you've made that day. It's true. This software produces cash profits basically on autopilot, profits that you can withdraw at any time. Heck, many of you might find it easier to make $1,000 with this software than having to get in your car, drive to the bank, and take it out of your account. It's that easy to make money with this system. It's like you having your own personal virtual ATM. Still, even though it is so easy to make money with this system, I have to warn you, this system is not for everyone. You see, while this system wins 89% of its trades, it means it loses 11% of the time. In other words, you're going to lose 1 out of every about 10 trades you place. Now, many people can't cope with losing even 1 trade out of 10. If this is you, please leave now. This system is not for you. If you're going to panic over 1 loss, if you can't see the big picture of how winning 9 out of 10 trades will allow your profits to grow steadily over time, you'll save yourself and me a lot of headaches by passing on this system. Still here? Great. Now let me tell you more about this system, specifically so that you know exactly what you'll be getting your hands on should you decide to take advantage of the incredible, I've got to say, incredible offer I'm going to make you in just a moment. So here's what you need to know about this system. It's basically comprised of 3 components and a full set of training videos that show you exactly how to use it that generate maximum profits. The first component is the nuts and bolts of the software, the foundation, if you will. This is where you'll find the proprietary chart system and our proven effective Forex trading strategies. Only you won't be able to actually see them because they're safely hidden under SHA-3 5th generation encryption. This component is the most profitable, most consistent way to trade Forex available anywhere today. You know, it's displayed uncanny accuracy in every possible type of market condition and has posted major profits in every single quarter that has been used. That brings us to the second component, which is the groundbreaking artificial intelligence unit that this system boasts. This component allows this system to learn and improve over time. The system actually can study the market and identify new price patterns, save those price patterns into its database, and then use those patterns to identify new profitable currency trades in the future. Can you say wow? Oh yeah, wow. But it doesn't stop there. You see, once it's identified profitable currency pairs, the system automatically pinpoints the most profitable entry and exit points and makes the trades for you. The system's third component is its profitable trade filter, which actually takes all available trades and screens out the less profitable ones, leaving you with only those trades that offer the highest possibility of winning and the greatest profit margins. Absolutely. Now, to make things even easier, we've just added a 4th component. This is a one-click installer. This means you won't have to give yourself a headache trying to get this software installed on your computer. Instead, you just click a button, and in no time you can be using the software to make money trading Forex, even if you have no trading experience. And don't forget the full set of training videos that come with the software, and we'll show you exactly how to use this complete system to generate massive profits in no time. Well, that ends the good news portion of this seminar, so to speak. Now it's time for the bad news, which is simply this. We've only decided to make this software available to 200 people during this initial launch. Now that's to ensure we're able to provide top-notch customer support to those who are lucky enough to get a copy. My partner and I are both Forex traders first, and we don't want to get bogged down dealing with customer support from this offering. That's why we've decided to strictly limit the number of copies of software that we release. I hope you understand. Here's what it all means for you. If the order link is not on this page, then it is too late. We've hit our quota. The software is no longer available. I'm really sorry, but you have missed out. If the Buy Now link is still there, you are in luck, provided you act fast. So how much will you be paying for this one-of-a-kind software? Well, each of the 4 components I mentioned earlier is easily worth $300. That means the software is worth $1,200 just to start out. Now, add to that number all the profits you can make with the system, and I think you can easily see that I could charge over $2,000 for this system and not blink an eye. Notice I said could, because that's not what I'm going to do. After making all the money we have with this system, and then coming in here and then nickeling and diming you for a maximum price would be a crappy move on our part. Look, we have money. We don't need yours. So why should we make you exhaust your savings just to get our product? We shouldn't, and we're not gonna. You're not gonna have to pay $2,000. You're not gonna have to pay $1,500. or even $1,000. Nope, and you're not going to have to pay $900 or even $500 either. We thought $467 was too high, and we thought $267 was too high as well. $167? Nope, we decided that was too much too. So how much are you going to have to pay for this complete 4-component profit-producing system? If you order today, you'll pay just $67, and that's a one-time fee. You won't have to pay an activation fee of several $1,000s like most other systems charge, and you won't have to pay an annual subscription fee of another couple of $1,000s. Oh yeah, we've seen that too. Nope, order now while there's still time. You'll just pay $67 one time, and that's it. You could easily make 10 times the amount you'll be paying on your very first trade. To make this even more of a no-brainer decision, we're going to offer you a full 60-day money-back guarantee on your purchase. That's right. Get the system today. Try it using either a demo account or real money. And if it doesn't make money for you, simply send us your account statement within 60 days of your date of purchase. We will send you a full refund of your purchase price. That's how sure we are that this system will work for you. Either make amazing profits or get your purchase price back. I don't think I could be any fairer than that, except maybe if I offered you some free bonuses just for ordering. Bonuses worth over $6,500 that I will allow you to keep for free even if you decide to return your system. I guess that would be more fair. So that's exactly what I'll do. Take advantage of my risk-free offer by ordering now. I'll also give you for free bonus education and training resources that'll help you boost your bottom line. You'll get the market reversal detection system, which can easily double your profits by identifying the top and bottom of each price movement, the U-turn point, you heard of that? And also telling you how to enter at the beginning and exit at the end for maximum profits. Now remember, you don't need any experience to use this bonus system. It will only take you 5 minutes a day to check on the incredible profits it's producing for you. Bonus number 2 is the amazing breakout system. Now this identifies areas of the market where breakouts are likely and then lets you know the minute a breakout occurs so you can get maximum profits from it. This strategy alone can create a 6-figure annual income for you. Bonus number 3 is the Supreme Detector software. This pinpoints profitable trading patterns and allows you to take advantage of them. All told, that's over $6,500 in bonus gifts. Combine this with the software that's easily worth over $2,000, you got a package that's worth $8,500 plus. And if you order now, you can get it all for just $67. But you've only got a few minutes to take advantage of this offer. This is being done on purely a first-come, first-served basis. If you're not one of the first 200 to order, you will not be receiving this system, and there's a very good chance you never will, because we may decide not to make this offer again. We are not gurus. We are Forex traders first and foremost, and we aren't going to do anything that keeps us from trading. To get your copy, order now. This system will save you valuable time and money, and allowing you to discover the absolute surest path to investment riches. In fact, armed with this system, you know exactly how to achieve your investment dreams. Remember, with this system, let's sum up now. You get specific, easy-to-find indicators that show you when to buy and when to sell. You only need to work, if you want to call it that, for an hour or two at most a day. You can get started with as low as a $100 investment. Since Forex is a global market, you can work whenever it is convenient for you, including at night or in the morning before your job. You can make as much or as little as you need. If you want to earn extra income to pay off your debt, no problem. Or if you want to make enough to quit your day job, you can do that too. There are no hidden charges. Nope, you won't have to subscribe to a signal service. With this system, you generate your own indicators. Plus, this system works with any type of market and any currency pairs. Now, this system gives you everything you need to make big money trading Forex from home. You could easily make 10, 50, even 100 times the purchase price on your very first trade. Just click on the link on the screen or the Order Now button on the page below to order. Remember, the special promotional offer is only available to the first 200 who order. Receive this system for just $67 before it's too late. And also remember, you're making this purchase at absolutely no risk. So grab this special price while you can. If this system isn't everything you were expecting, simply notify me within 60 days and I will happily refund your money immediately. Now, here are some answers to frequently asked questions about this system. Can beginners use this system? Oh yeah, absolutely. This system is incredibly easy to install to use. It gives you clear visual signals of what to do. So not only can beginners make money with this system, but it's so easy to use, even a 4th or 5th grader could use it. Can you get started with a free demo account? Yep, you most definitely can. In fact, this can be a great way to get familiar with the system while not risking any money. Will I need to buy any other software or charts to use the system? Nope. This system includes everything you need. Just follow its simple steps, and you'll be on the fast track to major profits. Do you need a set amount of money to get started? No, you don't need a particular amount. That's the beauty of trading Forex. You can get started with as little as $100. And remember, you can use a demo account at first while you're learning the system and familiarizing yourself with the market. How do I know when to get out of a trade? Well, this system makes this a really easy decision by taking emotion out of the equation. It gives you clear visual signals of not just when to enter a trade, but when to exit for maximum profits. Just follow the signals to watch your account balance grow and grow and grow. Why is this system so much better than other systems on the market today? Well, this system boasts proven results. It's not been just created and back-tested. This system has produced live, positive results. The sad truth is most robots don't work despite what their backtest results may say. The truth is you put them in live market conditions and they fail again and again. Does this system work best during a particular time of the day or a particular type of market is our next question. Well, no specific time or market is better than another. Actually, this system can be used anytime, 24/7, and it thrives in any market conditions. How long should I use the system each day? You know, one of the best things about this system is its flexibility. You can use it as much or as little as you want. However, if you're a beginner, I'd recommend you use it for at least a couple of hours a day, just so you can get familiar with trading Forex. But again, if you don't have a lot of time, you can use the system for however long you do have. It's very time flexible. Thanks for watching the presentation. I hope to see you on the inside.